Hello guys, today we're gonna fix this LCD TV. This is a 50-inch Samsung. It's totally dead. The model is UA50F5000AM PXD. So I'm gonna check this TV, what's going wrong inside. I'm gonna open the back cover. And this is for the input panel. This is HDMI, USB, HDMI, and antenna. And this is the RCA input and output. And I think it's so rusty here. I'm going to check inside. I'm gonna clean this rusty connector. Okay, before we open this back cover, you need to be careful. We still have a cable here attached. We have three panels here for a PCB. This is the main board PCB. The green one and the brown one is for the power supply. And this is for the T-con board. First, if it's totally dead, I'm gonna check the power supply area. Is there any suspicious burn components, short, or anything else? This is the fuse, the ceramic fuse, the white one. We need to check. And this one, this is the fuse also, the small fuse. So I'm gonna check with my multimeter with the diode and continuity test. This is the symbol. So I'm gonna check the small one, the small fuse. Small fuse is still working. It's still connected, but the terminal is very rusty. We need to clean this. Maybe we need to open this all and we clean all the legs. This is very rusty. I don't know how old this TV was, but the aging PCB will be showing like this, the corrosion everywhere. I need to clean this all corrosion from the legs. And the next fuse is this one, the big one. Okay, the fuse is blown. There is no connection from the big fuse. I can see here the reading for the size. I can see here for the reading for the size, it's T5. It's 5 ampere and 250 volt. So we need to replace this. See, there are no connection. The small one still have connection, but they all have rusty legs. We need to clean this one by one and make sure there are connection between legs to the board. I will open this board and I will clean it. We need to open several socket cable. I'm using oil lubricant spray to make it easier to open this old PCB. You can use any lubricant oil such as WD-40 or anything else. See, there are so many corrosion in the socket. We need to clean this. As you can see here, we have so many corrosion going on from the legs. This one, this one, this one, this one corrosion, and This area also corrosion. I spray the area and cleaning with sandpaper. And after cleaning, you can check with your multimeter with continuity test to check the connection. That maybe before it's not connected because of the rust and corrosion. Okay, after I clean and I replace the fuse, let's check with the continuity test. Now the fuse is working. Also, I clean all the jumper wire. This is a cover with rust before, and also the legs. There's so much rust in the legs. I clean it with oil lubricant WD-40 and sandpaper. I already make sure that this is already connected. For the old PCB like this, maybe more than 5 years, you need to resolder the legs from behind. Sometimes the soldering is cracking or the loose joint, so you need to resolder all the legs to make sure they are connected. Okay, now let's try to plug all the socket again. And okay, I will put the cover on because you need to put the power socket here. This is for the button. Okay, let's try now to plug into the electricity. Okay, now we can see the blinking LEDs, and let's press the button. Yes, I can see the picture now from bottom. I think we're fixing the TV now. Okay guys, now we are fixing the TV and we can see the picture, but I'm not putting any input channel yet to the TV. I hope this is help. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you like this video, and it will support me making more video in the future. Thank you, terima kasih.